You ready to go wake up the farm? Well, we can't wake them up until we first shovel out. Is there an air leak in here? You're so excited. We got a big blizzard yesterday. Let's go see what happened outside. Morning, everyone. Good morning. Macy waking up the neighborhood? Oh boy. What a beautiful day. Good morning, neighborhood. Wow. What a weird storm. We had our first big blizzard of the season yesterday. And it was blowing sideways. We had 50-mile-an-hour winds just blowing the snow sideways. So we have a lot of snow drifts. And we have a lot of ground that never got touched. So I have not shoveled out here this morning. And the snow just kind of drifted in, left our path clean. Looks like waves out here. Looks like waves in the snow. Look at that big drift. So let's go see. I've already been out once this morning. I came out about an hour ago before the sun came up to check on Sal. She has not had her lambs yet, but she is going to have them today. I just know it. We don't have any signs of her water breaking and no discharge yet, but she looks like she's going to have her babies today. So happy Sunday, everyone. You can see Macy is going through the path that we made this morning in the snow. We have this big old snow drift right here in the middle of the yard. Got to get over it. And this, where it snow drifted, it got up to about 1.5 feet. And then where it didn't drift, it's clean and clear and icy. So pretty. There's our beautiful morning view. Sun is just coming up over the Saco River Valley. Birds stayed in all day yesterday. Yep, I had to feed them and give them water in the coop. Geese, how'd you do? How'd you do? There you go. Morning. Good morning. You guys hungry? You want some water? Okay, I'll get you some food and water. Yep. Gotta feed the birds. So that's what's going on here. Got these nice big snow drifts. Came up about halfway up my gate here. So I'm gonna have to get the shovel. Yeah, that's up to my knee. That's how deep that is. All right. Time to start the day. The New England way. Gotta get those cars shoveled out so I can go to work today. Thank goodness for neighbors. Thanks, Ted and Allison. Came and plowed out our driveway late last night. Well, it wasn't late last night. It was dark, but it was like 5 p.m. All right, I'm gonna open up the farm and wake everybody up. I hope you guys have a great day. Happy Sunday. Enjoy the snow. Stay warm. And we'll see you soon.